So anyone have any question, any query, guys, regarding the last topic that we discussed? Okay. So now today we are going to work on some scenario and then we understand that, okay, how can we solve that problem? Okay, clear?
Okay.
So
Okay,
please,
sir.
first of all, yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first of all, we are going to learn. Okay, let me open the Visual Studio. Okay. So now let's create a scenario. So we need to create a SSIS package that display, okay, please understand, each city, or let's go with some more, okay? We need to create SSIS package that display below output,
Okay.
okay? We need to show the customer name, customer first order date, last order date, total order, total sale, and total product. Okay, my friend. So just think, how can we do this thing?
First order date.
Can we use group by the customer name? Then
First
we
of
use
all, try in a SQL Server, okay? And then try in the SSIS, okay?
Okay.
okay. So we need to do it in both. First as a SQL Server, then create the package.
Yes, first of all, create the SQL Server. If the SQL Server return the correct thing, then you can try in SSIS, okay?
Yeah, I'm done with the SQL Server.
Okay, then try with the SSIS.
Okay.
Okay, guys, let me know once everyone crack the SQL Server.
Yes, I cracked the
Okay.
SQL server. I'm working at SSIS.
So I'm writing the SQL Server query so that those people who are not cracked, okay, they
Okay.
can take the reference. Just 1
I'm
minute.
stuck in the right column.
I'm done.
Okay, very good.
Sir, one thing in SSIS, how do we use the same column two times, like a mean and max?
You can use it. You can just in the drop down, you can choose that column.
Yeah, I use aggregate function. There I see the order date. Once I select it, again
Mhm.
I have to pull it down, or what is it like?
No,
Oh,
no, no, no. Look at
yes,
this. Let me
First,
let me
derive
show
the
you.
column first.
No,
Column.
no, no, no. You don't need to derive. Look at this. You need it.
Oh.
Let's suppose I customer name column. I need one more time. So I can just click here and I can choose the customer name again.
can
Oh.
I share my screen, sir? If allow me a few minutes.
Yes, please share screen.
Okay. So like
Begin.
you said like this one, am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Correct.
Okay. How to add one more time order date? Can you please show that screen again?
Okay. So I'm sharing my screen with the SQL Server. Okay, guys.
Okay.
So that first of all, let's complete the SQL Server task.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so the first column that we want is customer name. True, my friend?
Yes.
Customer name. Then the second column is first order date. So we have an order date, and if we choose the minimum order date,
Yeah,
then we get the first order date.
as first one, yeah.
And if we choose the latest order date, means okay, we can choose the max order date.
Max order date.
Then total sale is a sum of
Count.
sales, the
No, I
numeric
think
column. No?
we can do the order ID first.
No, it's okay. You can go the order ID first, or you can do this. Okay.
Okay.
So because this is a non-numeric column, so we can perform the count operation here.
Yeah, count for the order ID.
And then product name. Still product is also a non-numeric column, so we can perform the count.
Mhm.
Now this all data we can want to see by the customer name. So group by customer name. Okay, please everyone see. Now, first of all, create the SSIS package and then create a, first of all, write this SQL query and then create SSIS
I
package.
did the same thing, but I don't know why mine is showing the error.
No, you did not do the same thing. That's why it's showing the error. Just check, compare your query with mine.
Max.
Sir, in SSIS, how we are like use the order by in aggregation? Can we? I didn't see a order by
For
there.
the order by, remember we have a short in
Okay.
SSIS. Huh?
Okay. Yeah, got it. After that, I have to apply the sort also.
Okay, my friend, let me know who cracked this one.
Done.
Done, sir, done.
Very good.
Done.
Okay. So I'm doing the same thing, guys. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Data flow task. Old DB source. Okay, my friend. New. Connect my table. And okay. Now, what is the first step? I can add a aggregate. Okay.
Can we add short? I add short
Why?
and then aggregate.
Why we need sort? Tell me. Huh? No, I'm just asking why. Why you think that sort we will need it?
There is no any order by class.
Sort, basically we are using whenever we want to remove the duplicate, or whenever we want to arranging the data either ascending order or descending order. Okay,
Okay.
clear? And
Mhm.
this is not a requirement. Okay, so first of all, customer name, true guys.
Mhm.
Then total order, sorry, first the order date. So you can choose order date here and choose minimum.
Minimum, yeah.
So this is my first order date. Now, Same customer again, same order date again, and we can say that it's the last order date. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Now the next one. Okay. What is the next value? Total order. So
Mhm.
count of order IDs. Total sale is a sum. Because whenever we talking about the numeric column, we always go with a total sum. Okay, my friend? Yes or no? And now the last one is total product. Product is again a varchar field. Clear, my friend?
Yes.
Please everyone configure like this. Now let's move the next exercise. Can we? So I'm giving you one more scenario. Okay. Now here you need to show that create a SSIS package that display two output. In output one, I want to see the customer name, total order, total sale, and there is a condition here. Condition is total order greater than 10. Clear, guys? And in the second output, I want to see the customer who placed total order less than 10.
Could you make the font a little bigger, please? Thank you.
This is good.
Yes, thank you.
So I need a creator package that display two output. The output one display, okay, these customer name, total order, total sale. The customer who placed total order greater than 10, and the second one is customer who placed less than 10. So I need two orders, guys.
One both in server and SSIS both.
Yes, first of all, try in SQL Server, then try in SSIS.
Okay.
Okay, let me write the SQL query. Okay. What is the first column?
Customer name,
Second column?
count,
order
order
as
ID
order, total order,
as total order, sum sales as total sales, from orders group by customer name,
Okay, now we have a condition here.
having count,
So we can write where. Okay. Okay. So if you go,
Yeah, the same issue I'm getting it. Then aggregate not appear in the way.
so I put having count.
Yeah, I
yes.
use having.
So you can put like this. Look at it. That's why I'm just showing the where is not working here. That's why we are choosing having guys here. Because this calculation is not prepared here. Understand everyone?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
This is a runtime calculation, no? True.
Sir, but I did
This
the
value
having
generate
count.
runtime. That's why we are using having here. Where will not work.
Mhm.
No,
Yeah,
sir.
this
It
was
has a
After group
specific.
by, isn't it? The having is after group by.
Yeah, it's always after group by.
Yes.
sir. Also, I did the having count like distinct.
I see. Okay.
So distinct is fine here or no?
Distinct is fine. No issue about that.
Okay.
So,
Distinct remove the duplicate. No?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I put the distinctive. So, sir, I got stuck on that
Can you
aggregate
explain
SSIS.
one more time
Okay.
why we're
So
using
now,
having?
sorry,
Can you explain one more time why we're using having, please?
because where need a column that is present into the table. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And this column is not present in the table. This is a calculation. True.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we're using having.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I pasted a query in a chat box, sir. When I run this query, it's showing me there is a n-varchar conversion fail data type.
No, that is different thing. That is a different error. Okay, let
Just
me
now
see your
I
query.
just now I shared in a chat box.
Look at this. What you did here. Understand, my friend. Here you write where order ID greater than 10. True?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
But order ID, what is the data type of order ID?
That is a n-varchar, is it?
Then how can you compare n varchar value with a numeric value?
We should have count there, I guess.
Okay.
That's why if you run this query, you will get a error. He tried to convert a n-var value, this value into data type int, because you are comparing varchar to int, and that is not possible.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. So please everyone write down the SQL and then write down the SSI.
So we don't use the where condition here. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.